Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Joy Division song. To begin, you must first establish a distinct, somber mood. Think about a cold, industrial landscape or a feeling of existential dread. This foundational atmosphere is crucial as it informs every musical choice you make. Aim for a sound that feels both raw and deeply introspective, setting a stage for profound emotional expression. The rhythm section is the backbone of the Joy Division sound. The bass guitar should be a melodic force, often carrying the main hook and driving the song forward with a distinct, almost independent voice. For drums, think less about flashy fills and more about a stark, almost tribal pulse. Emphasize strong, impactful snare and tom hits to create a powerful, yet minimalist, foundation. Guitars in a Joy Division song are rarely about power chords or flashy solos. Instead, they serve to create texture and atmosphere, often using chiming arpeggios or dissonant chords to add to the overall unease. The vocals are equally distinctive. A deep, melancholic baritone, delivered with a sense of detachment and introspection, conveying profound emotional weight without overt theatrics. When structuring your song, embrace repetition. Simple, often 2- or 3-chord progressions can be incredibly effective, allowing tension to build slowly and organically. The production should feel raw and unpolished, with a cold, almost distant quality. Consider using subtle reverb to create a sense of space and depth, contributing to the overall melancholic and atmospheric sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.